Dalal Street, and it was a volatile session in the markets today. We're given to understand that Indian markets ended in lower. Joining me at this point in time is my colleague Suyash. Suyash, what's the update?
So Indian markets, it was a volatile session for the Indian markets after opening in the green and trading up till the afternoon session. Indian markets succumbed to profit booking and snapped its three-day winning streak amid selling in financial and metal counters. Now at close, Sensex was down about 0.34% to close at 61,773 levels, while Nifty fell 0.34% to close at 18,285 mark. Among individual stocks, Sun Pharma was a top gainer in the Nifty pack today with gains of over 2%. Dr. Reddy's Lab, Hero MotoCorp, ITC and IndusInd Bank also surged around 1%. Now on the other side, Adani Twins, after a 3-day rally, were the top losers today in the Nifty pack. Adani Enterprise was down over 6%, while Adani Ports fell about 2%. Now Tata Motors, ICICI Banks, HDFC Bank were also some of the biggest laggards in today's session with losses of about 1%. Now the broader markets outperformed the benchmarks with Nifty Small Cap 100 ending flat with a positive closing of about 0.01%. Meanwhile, Nifty Mid Cap ended with gains of about 0.21%. Shifting focus to sectoral indices, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Consumer Durables were the top gainers today, each with gains of about 1%. Nifty Media and Nifty Healthcare also posted decent and strong gains today. On the other side, Nifty Metals was the biggest loser with losses of about 1%, and banking and financial stocks, which have been under pressure lately, also were also ended with losses of about 0.5% in today's session.
Okay, so Adani stocks there in particular have snapped their losing. Some correction there, some profit booking, and then hopefully we'll have to wait and watch out for what happens tomorrow. But important updates coming in there from the stock market at this point in time. Suyash, appreciate you joining with the details, important details there on that interesting story.